today.
Why?
First, there were peas in the soup at lunch. The teacher gave tons of homework. And even the basketball was flat at recess.
Sounds like you had a pretty rough day.
And tonight's my turn to wash the dishes.
It won't take long. Say, Eric, have you noticed my new glasses yet?
I did, but I think they look kinda nerdy.
I think they make me look sophisticated. I think they're wonderful.
How come you're always happy for everything?
Because I try to be thankful for everything.
But everything always goes wrong for me. There's nothing to be thankful for.
There's always something to be thankful for. You just have to look for it.
How about homework?
It helps us learn more.
Washing the dishes?
Well, just be thankful that we have food to put on the plates, which makes them need washing, and that Mom cooks for us, and for water to wash the dishes.
Okay, I get it.
It's all in the ways you see things. You can complain, or you can be thankful.
But how can I be thankful that the ball was flat today?
You fixed that with that little pump, didn't you?
Yeah.
Then be thankful you didn't have to use your mouth.
Oh, Sally.
Eric, I think you should use some new glasses too.
But mine are perfect.
Oh, these should go on the inside, on your heart.
Glasses on your heart? That's crazy.
See? All you ever see are things to complain about. I wish you had a special pair of glasses that will make you see things to be thankful for.
Well, I guess I could try to see things like you do.
It will be like having that new special pair of glasses, and things will look better to you.
You know what, Sally? Those glasses don't look that nerdy after all. I think I like you in those glasses.
And I'm gonna like you in your new glasses too.